Welcome to Autodesk Revit Site Planning and Design.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit modeling. With the completion of this course, clients have the opportunity to obtain knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday.
The objective of this course is designed to enable users who have worked in the Autodesk Revit software to understand concepts and tools related to site planning and design. This guide covers the Revit coordinate system, which is used to coordinate multiple files within a single project, as well as elements and tools that are used to create topographic surfaces for site work and structural elements. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students understand the workflow within the Revit modeling software. Completion of this course will enable students to gain a better understanding of the tools used within site design in the Revit software, accurately utilize the Revit coordinate system to locate project arrangements, allow connections to other disciplines by linking connected file systems together collaboratively, and place specific site-related items into the model for complete project program.
IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Revit through our unique online lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software.
Each student will discover how to understand the Revit coordinate system for orientation from true north to project north, specify correct project location as general city name or precise accurate positioning via GPS coordinates. Learn to link in Revit models and AutoCAD files for reference. Relocate the project elevation for vertical height relative to sea level. Work with shared coordinates in Revit by acquiring and publishing coordinates across various model types. Export Revit model type content into AutoCAD DWG files for coordination with civil designers. Create a complex three-dimensional topographical surface for all of your site design. Specify property line and setback locations with building construction pads. Modify three-dimensional topo surfaces with subregions, splitting surfaces apart, and grading various regions together, along with cut and fill ratios. Annotate the site plans with elevation tags for vertical height offsets. Finally, we will include site-specific components such as park benches, parking islands, bollards, and other site items.
Each day of class, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Revit functions, implementing designs while giving employees the confidence and to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fears that come with transitioning into new software and new tools, assisting Revit modelers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move forward through working with problems, experience through the software, and effectively and more quickly doing their tasks. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike, each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing model, navigating seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the drawing in order to design, set up, and manage a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of onboarding new employees and understanding how new software can be used to implement into your daily workflow. IMAGINiT's
Revit Site Planning and Design
equips students with the capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in three-dimensional modeling software.